So a while ago I asked what I should do with my extra garlic that I have for my garden, since I have quite a bit to use up, and I got some suggestions, and everybody was doing this garlic infused honey, so I thought I'd give it a try. So this is my first attempt at that. Not everybody was cutting up the cloves like I did here, but my cloves are pretty big, so I just decided to cut them up anyway. I don't really know if it matters or not. Then I'm just pouring in my local honey into this little jar. I didn't want to try too much at once, but getting the honey in there and letting it sink down to the bottom. So this is supposed to be, good for anti-inflammatory, good for coughs, health overall, that kind of thing. You can either eat the honey by itself, or you can eat the cloves, individual cloves. So I do that at the end, and I'll show you what this looks like after about 5 weeks. So this is about 5 weeks ago, when I first did this first part of the video. So getting all the honey in there, and you'll see all the air bubbles coming out. And actually my kids have tried this, and they actually like it as well, so it's good for kids. I was a little scared at first to try it, but it's actually not too bad, so it actually tastes pretty good. So I might do a bigger jar in the future, but this should last actually quite a while, even though it's a little jar. So this is 5 weeks later. So that's what it looks like. The honey turns very thin. It's not as thick as it used to be. And then you do have to let the air out each day. So open the lid each day to let the extra air out, and then flip it upside down. So here I'm trying it. This isn't the first time I've tried it, but I'm just showing that you can eat a clove, and it's actually not too bad. So give it a try.